Hey, welcome guys, welcome back to Planter Garden TV. Alright guys, today we're looking at vanity. When you're doing remodel, sometimes you could get some really good deals, sometimes you could get lucky. Look, this price, this is $3.99 and right now it's $2.59. And this is the looks of it. And the reason for that is this might be an open box. This might be someone buy this and didn't like it and return it, and just so you could save $150. You see what I'm over here? This one is the next one, and this one was $3.99 and now it's $1.99. So this is how you can get really good deals sometimes. And the truth is, sometimes nothing is wrong with them. Nothing. Sometimes some of them might have a little crack, like this one, so you got to be careful. So you really should open the box, make sure there's no damage before you buy them. But these are ways how to get beautiful sale sometimes when you're doing a remodel. Look, this one. This is a big one. Look right the box. Right, this is a big one. Can't see inside it, but the thing is, you want to make sure that you check them before you buy them. But you really can get some beautiful deals out here in these stores. All right, so this is a good way. Always come check to see if they have any on sale, and you'll be surprised. All right.